Hello students, this is class 7th, chapter number 1, Mathematics Integers, and the exercise is 1.2. Today now we are starting this exercise. See the question number 1. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Let us see. See, the first part is sum is minus 7. You have to write two integers in such a way so that the sum of these two integers must be minus 7. Right? Now, if you will write minus 3 minus 4, what is the sum? Minus 7. You can make infinite pair of numbers. Understood? So in this way you have to write integers. See the next part. The second part is difference is minus 10 and the C part is sum is 0. Let us have a look. See, difference of two integers in such a way so that it should become minus 10. Right? How it is minus 10? Suppose you are writing here 20. 10. 10 minus 20 is what? Minus 10. So you can make as many examples as you want. Understood? See, minus 3 and it is minus 4. It is what? Minus 7. If you want to write minus 10 and suppose it is plus 3, then again what you will get? The same result. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Understood? 10 minus 20 is what? Minus 10. If you have written here 30, then what you will write here? Tell me. To get minus 10, you have to write 20. 20 minus 30 is what? Again minus 10. You can make as many examples as you want. The third is sum is 0. You have to write a pair of integer so that the sum must be 0. How it is 0? Suppose you are writing here 10, then it should be minus 10. Then the sum will be what? 0. Understood? You can make as many examples as you want. Now let us see the question number 2. The question number 2 is write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives plus 8. What? Plus 8. Let us see. See, the meaning of question is pair of negative integers. Pair of negative integers and their difference must be 8. You have to write in this way. Pair of negative integers and their difference must be 8. Now you have to fill the value. Let us take this is what? 10. Now minus minus is plus. It is plus 10. 10 minus what is 8? 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and it is plus 8. This is an example. Understood? See the next. There are many examples. See, the B part is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. See again, a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum. Understood? Let us see. See, a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is equal to minus 5. Right? So first you have to put the sign and put the brackets. Now let us write any number here. Minus an integer and a positive integer and sum should be minus 5. Let us write 15 here. Now it is minus 15. Then it should be what? So that it become minus 5. It should be, yes, 10. 10 minus 15 minus 5. Understood? Let us see another. So the C part is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. A negative and a positive and difference. So let us see. See, a negative integer and a positive integer, and the difference must be minus 3. So it is minus, it is plus, and here it is minus. Let us write 1 here. Then what it should be? See, minus plus is minus, it is minus 1. Minus 1 में क्या करें so that it is minus 3? It should be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1. It is what? Minus 3. It is minus 2, it is plus minus is minus 1, it is what? Minus 3, right? So these are the two integers what you can write. Understood? Now let us see the question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0. These are the score of team A, and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? First you have to find the sum of this team A, and then you have to find the sum of team B. This is minus 40, 10 and 0. What is the sum? It is what? Minus 30, right? And here what is the sum? 10, 0 and minus 40. If you will add, what you will get? Minus 30, right? Now the question is, which team scored more? So the answer is both team have scored equal. Understood? Now second part, can we say that we can add integers in any order? In any order? Yes. If we add minus 40 plus 10 or plus 0, then we are getting minus 30. Or if we add 10, then 0, then minus 40, then what you will get? Again the sum minus 30. So we can add in any order, right? Now let us see the fourth part, fill in the blank. The first one is minus 5 plus minus 8 equal to minus 8 plus what value here? You will get minus 5. Understood? In the second, minus 53 plus what? Equal to minus 53. What you will write? 0. Then third part is 17 plus what? Equal to 0. Minus 17. Here you have to write minus 17. Let me leave the two parts, you can fill it. Understood? In this way you have to complete this exercise 1.2. Write down neat and clean in your copy and complete this exercise. Understood? Thank you.